Hello language learners. Welcome back to our channel, Vocab and Phrases, where learning English is fun and easy. As you know, we have started a vocabulary series on this channel, and today is episode 2. We hope this series will help you in your English learning journey and be more confident in every conversation.
We would love for you to be a part of this series. Comment below with any words you've been struggling to learn or any topics you want me to cover. I will try to cover it in coming videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and notification bell so that you never miss new episodes. So, let's get started and make English simple together. So, today in this podcast we will learn 5 new words and also learn how to use them in sentences.
Great, so Alfie, what are the words of the day?
So first word is gleeful. Then we will continue with affable and debonair. Then drowsy, and the last one is fastidious.
Great, so let's start with the first word, gleeful.
Gleeful is an adjective that describes a state of being full of joy, happiness, or delight. It conveys a sense of exuberant pleasure, often marked by outward expressions such as laughter, smiles, or excitement. For example, the little boy was gleeful as he opened his birthday presents, his eyes lighting up with excitement.
In this example, the word gleeful describes the little boy's strong feelings of joy and excitement while opening his birthday presents. The phrase, his eyes lighting up with excitement, emphasizes how his happiness is visibly shown through his bright, eager expression. The word gleeful suggests that the boy's happiness is not just mild, but full and vibrant.
Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. She felt gleeful when she found out she had passed the exam with flying colors.
In this example, the term gleeful describes the woman's reaction to passing her exam. Flying colors is an idiomatic phrase meaning to pass with great success, so the woman is not just relieved but extremely happy. Her gleeful feeling indicates she is filled with joy and satisfaction, possibly even showing outward signs like smiling or laughing because of her success.
Well said, Alfie. Let's move on to our next word, affable.
Yeah, affable is an adjective that describes someone who is friendly, approachable, and easy to talk to. An affable person is warm, pleasant, and kind, making others feel comfortable around them. For example, his affable nature made him popular among his coworkers.
In this example, the word affable describes the person's overall personality as friendly, approachable, and pleasant. His affable nature means he has a natural ability to make people feel comfortable and welcome around him. As a result, his coworkers find him easy to talk to, and his friendly demeanor contributes to his popularity in the workplace. Essentially, his friendly, approachable character helps him build good relationships with others.
Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure. Here is my example. The teacher was so affable that the students felt at ease asking questions.
In this example, affable describes the teacher's behavior. The teacher is kind, friendly, and easygoing, which creates a comfortable atmosphere for the students. As a result, the students feel at ease, they are not nervous or intimidated. The teacher's affability makes it easier for the students to approach her and ask questions without fear or hesitation. It highlights how an affable person's warmth helps others feel relaxed and open.
Let's move on to our next word, debonair.
The word debonair is an adjective used to describe someone, typically a man, who is charming, stylish, confident, and elegant in manner and appearance. A debonair person exudes sophistication and smoothness in both their looks and behavior, often with an air of ease and grace. For example, the actor looked debonair in his tailored suit at the premiere.
In this sentence, debonair describes the actor's appearance. He is dressed in a tailored suit, which is a well-fitted, stylish outfit, and his overall look is confident, polished, and sophisticated. The word debonair suggests that the actor is not just well-dressed, but also carries himself with charm and elegance. At the premiere, he stands out as being graceful, confident, and smooth in both appearance and behavior.
Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. He walked into the room with a debonair smile, instantly capturing everyone's attention.
Here, debonair is used to describe the man's smile. His smile isn't just a typical smile, it conveys confidence, charm, and a sense of style. The word debonair implies that the man exudes a sense of effortless elegance and smoothness. The smile, along with the way he carries himself, makes him the center of attention as soon as he enters the room, suggesting that his charm and style are captivating and graceful.
Let's move on to our next word, drowsy.
Drowsy is an adjective used to describe a state of feeling sleepy, sluggish, or tired. A person who is drowsy feels like they are on the verge of falling asleep or has difficulty staying awake and alert. It can also describe an environment or situation that makes you feel sleepy. For example, after a long day at work, I felt drowsy and couldn't keep my eyes open.
In this sentence, drowsy describes how the person feels after a tiring day at work. The person is so tired and sleepy that they are struggling to stay awake. Couldn't keep my eyes open emphasizes that the drowsiness is strong enough that they are fighting to stay alert, but it's difficult because of how tired they are.
Can you give us another example, Emily?
Sure, here is my example. The warm, cozy room made me feel drowsy, and I almost nodded off.
In this example, the term drowsy is used to describe the feeling of sleepiness caused by the environment. The warmth and coziness of the room create a relaxing atmosphere, making the person feel sleepy and tired. Nodded off means to start falling asleep, even briefly. The sentence suggests that the drowsiness from the comfortable surroundings nearly caused them to fall asleep.
Right, let's move on to our last word. Fastidious.
Fastidious is an adjective used to describe someone who is very attentive to detail and has high standards or demands, often to the point of being difficult to please. A fastidious person is very particular about how things should be done and tends to be meticulous in their approach. For example, she was so fastidious about her work that every project had to be perfect.
In this sentence, fastidious describes the person's approach to her work. She pays extreme attention to every little detail and expects everything to be done with precision and care. She is very particular, and nothing less than perfection will satisfy her. This means that she likely spends extra time ensuring that every aspect of her work is correct, from the smallest details to the overall outcome. It highlights a high level of thoroughness and meticulousness.
Can you give us another example, Emily?
Of course, here is my example. The fastidious guest insisted on having everything arranged just right for the dinner party.
Here, fastidious refers to the guest being very fussy and particular about how the dinner party is organized. The guest wants everything to be exactly as they envision, whether it's the placement of the chairs, the food presentation, or the decor. The use of insisted suggests that the guest's preferences were not just a casual request, but a demand for perfection. This shows that the guest's standards are high and they have a tendency to be difficult to please when it comes to arrangements.
Fastidious emphasizes a level of attention to detail, a desire for perfection, and an insistence on things being done to a very specific standard.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to join us next time for more. Until then, stay safe and take care. Have a good day.